Pradeep Arya, the only IRS officer to win Shaurya Chakra for his immense courage in thwarting an infiltration bid by terrorists. On January 26, 2018, India's third highest peacetime gallantry award, the Shaurya Chakra, was awarded to 9 people for their immense valor in combating terrorists. What few Indians know is that among the 9 winners of this prestigious honor was gutsy IRS officer who thwarted an infiltration bid in Kashmir. A 2004 batch IRS officer, Pradeep's journey from his desk in Mumbai to defending the Indian border in Kashmir has been singularly noteworthy. Compelled by long-abiding love for the uniform, he decided to join the Territorial Army, India's second line of defense after its regular army. The Territorial Army is basically an organization of volunteers who receive military training in order to be mobilized for the country's defense in case of an emergency. Members of the Territorial Army, all able-bodied and gainfully employed Indian citizens, are required to serve the Indian Army for 2 months each year. In 2008, Pradeep was commissioned into the 106 Infantry Battalion Territorial Army PARA, also known as the Bengaluru Terriers, that is attached with the 4th Battalion of the Parachute Regiment Special Forces. In May 2017, Pradeep's unit was deployed along the line of control. Appointed the mission leader, he and his team were given the task of creating an effective intelligence and defense mechanism that could be used against cross-border infiltration in Baramulla district of Jammu and Kashmir. On the night of May 28, Pradeep was informed about a probable infiltration bid by the Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorist around Chabak region of the 19 Infantry Division area. Knowing the importance of preventing this from happening, the IRS officer immediately organized an ambush party and stealthily moved ahead to intercept the infiltrators. According to an official statement issued by the Indian Army at approximately 22 hours 30 minutes on 28 May 2017, Captain Arya detected movement of 4 to 6 terrorists moving 200 meters ahead in the Nalah. Fearing the terrorists might slip away using the moonless night and dense jungle foliage, the officer, showing preeminent valor, moved ahead with his buddy in the mined area and intercepted them and immediately initiated a firefight. Displaying intrepidity at the risk of his life and cold nerves, he closed in and sat over a fallen tree overlooking the terrorists. Captain Arya showed heroic initiative and inspirational combat leadership and ran ahead from his concealed position, unmindful of his own safety, and came directly in contact with the terrorists and eliminated them. For his dogged determination and courage in the face of the enemy, Pradeep was awarded the Shaurya Chakra. The father of 2 daughters, Pradeep says that his only regret is that he does not get enough time with his family who stayed in Bengaluru, even when he is not on the front, because he is currently posted with the International Taxation Department in Mumbai. The small sacrifice they make allow me to pursue what I am doing, he tells Rediff. A proactive income tax officer, Pradeep also tries to utilize his experiences in both the fields for the benefit of the country. For instance, he has used his tax investigation knowledge to prepare a special report on terror funding and money laundering activities of the extremists operating in Kashmir Valley, an effort that has earned himself commendation from the Chief of the Army Staff. Jai Hind.